Welcome to The Wealth Shift, the channel helping everyday people build real financial freedom in a world being reshaped by AI. No fluff, no hype, just clear strategies you can actually use. Let's get into it. In the last 18 months, over 4 million jobs in the United States have been quietly replaced by AI. Customer service, accounting, graphic design, even writing. And most people have no idea it's happening to them until it already has. But here's what nobody's talking about. The same technology that's taking jobs is also creating the biggest wealth opportunity of the last 50 years. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which jobs are gone, which ones are safe, and most importantly, how ordinary people with zero tech background are making real money from this AI wave right now. Let's start with the uncomfortable truth. Number 1. Data entry and processing. If your job involves moving information from one place to another, AI does it faster, cheaper, and without breaks. Companies like JP Morgan and Bank of America have already automated thousands of these roles. Number 2. Customer service. AI chatbots now handle over 70% of Tier 1 customer support. The agents who used to answer basic questions, many of them are gone. Number 3. Graphic design. Tools like Midjourney and Adobe Firefly can generate professional designs in seconds. Junior designers are the most affected. Number 4. Basic writing and copywriting. Blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions. AI handles all of it in under a minute. Number 5. Paralegal and basic legal research. AI can now scan thousands of documents in seconds. Work that used to take a junior lawyer 3 days takes 20 minutes. Now, here's the important part. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you this because the people who understand what's happening are the ones positioning themselves to benefit. Before we talk money, let's talk protection. The jobs AI cannot replace are the ones that require human judgment, physical presence, and emotional intelligence. Trades, electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians. AI cannot physically fix your pipes. Healthcare, nurses, surgeons, therapists. People want a human when their health is at stake. Sales, specifically high-ticket, relationship-based sales. AI can't build genuine human trust. Creative direction, not execution, but the strategy and vision behind creative work. AI needs humans to tell it what matters. And the most AI-proof skill of all, knowing how to use AI better than everyone else. We'll come back to that. Now, this is the part that's going to change how you think about this. Method 1. AI freelancing. There are people right now charging $500 to $3,000 per project, helping small businesses set up AI tools. They didn't go to college for this. They spent 2 weeks on YouTube learning how to use ChatGPT and automation tools. Then they sold that skill to local businesses who have no idea how to do it themselves. Method 2. AI content creation. Faceless YouTube channels using AI tools are generating $3,000 to $15,000 per month in ad revenue. The creator never appears on camera. They use AI to write, voice, and edit every single video. The channel you're watching right now is an example of exactly that. Method 3. Selling AI prompts. A marketplace called PromptBase lets people sell AI prompt templates. Top sellers make $2,000 to $8,000 per month selling a product that costs them nothing to make. Method 4. AI-assisted e-commerce. Dropshippers are using AI to write product listings, generate ad copy, handle customer service, and even predict which products will trend, cutting their workload by 80% and doubling their margins. Method 5. Building micro SaaS tools. Using AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot, non-technical people are building simple software tools and selling subscriptions. One person, no team, $5,000 to $20,000 per month in recurring revenue. None of these require a degree. None require a big investment. They require learning, consistency, and starting before you feel ready. Here's what separates the people who win from this AI shift and the people who don't. The losers see AI as a threat and wait to see what happens. The winners ask one question: how do I become the person who controls this tool? Every major technology wave in history, the internet, smartphones, social media, created millionaires and destroyed careers at the same time. The people who got rich weren't the smartest people in the room, they were the fastest to adapt. AI is not coming. AI is here. The question is not if it will change your financial life. The question is whether that change makes you richer or poorer. You are watching this video. That already puts you ahead of most people. So, to summarize, AI is replacing millions of jobs, but it's also creating the biggest income opportunity most people alive today will ever see. The 5 ways people are cashing in right now: AI freelancing, faceless content creation, selling prompts, AI-assisted e-commerce, and micro SaaS. Pick one. Learn it for 30 days. Start before you feel ready. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe for weekly videos on building real financial freedom in the AI era, and comment below. Which of these 5 methods are you most interested in? I read every single one. See you next week.